Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk to you about FitBeast's Flex Kit bands. Now, what's really cool about this particular kit is it comes with a couple of different sizes. So you got your 30 to 40 pound, you also got your 10 to 20 pound, and you got your heavier resistant with a 50 and 60 pound band. So with these in particular, what you do is you're just going to go ahead and place it in your hand and you're going to squeeze just like that. Now what's really nice about it too is it actually comes with a manual that shows you different exercises that you can actually perform with each actual band that they have in the kit. For example, it also comes with these as well that you can actually fashion over your fingers. Really simple to use. All you're going to go ahead and do is just slide it over your thumb and just over the top of your fingers, just like so. And then you're just going to open up, nice and easy. It's great for hand movement exercises as well as grip strengthening. Most people don't know this, but grip strength is super important in daily life, and being able to rehab that as well as being able to strengthen it makes your life so much better. But I highly recommend checking them out. Really great for forearm day or even just stress